Landslides and floods claimed dozens of lives in India's southern state of Kerala over the weekend. In hard-hit Kottayam, rescuers raced to clear debris from a bridge with an excavator. A resident described the extent of the damage.
There are 4 landslides happened there yesterday. The hill behind me, which has brought all the water and other items to the downwards. There are 5 shops here. This is totally washed out.
The Indian Army and Navy was sent to Kottayam and Idukki districts to aid rescue efforts. Annual rainfall supports 2/3 of India's billion-plus population who live in rural areas and rely on farming. However, excessive rainfall sparks not only floods and landslides, but also waterborne diseases. In 2018, Kerala saw some of its worst floods in a century. They killed at least 400 people and displaced 200,000 more.